U.S. government shutdown officially starts after political stalemate. What does it mean for crypto? Crypto market. Spot ETFs. U.S. government. The shutdown does not directly impact cryptocurrencies, but delays and uncertainty could trigger volatility, with Bitcoin and Ethereum most at risk. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. The U.S. government shut down for the first time in 6 years at midnight on Wednesday, after Congress failed to pass a funding bill. The stalemate leaves agencies without money as the new fiscal year begins and threatens wide disruption. From air travel to public parks. About 800,000 workers, nearly 40% of the federal workforce, are expected to go without pay. A shutdown that feels different. The closure began at midnight on October 1st after lawmakers failed to agree on a short-term measure to extend funding into fiscal 2026. It is the first shutdown since 2018, although this one comes with greater strain, as political talk of deeper cuts and even permanent layoffs looms over agencies already struggling with limited resources. The Senate will revisit a Republican-backed funding plan, but progress looks unlikely without concessions from both parties. Until then, essential services continue on thin staffing while millions of Americans brace for fallout. Why crypto cares about Washington gridlock. Crypto is not directly tied to federal budgets, but it is not immune to the ripple effects. Shutdowns slow data releases, delay regulatory reviews, and create a layer of uncertainty that unsettles investors. Analysts warn Bitcoin and Ethereum could be especially sensitive to swings, while smaller tokens may see sharper drops if volatility spikes. Government shutdowns are not without precedence. Should history be our guide, suggest little if any effects on markets, said Johnny Garcia, managing director of institutional growth at VE Chain. He added that while the political noise feels louder, a solution is usually found. Crypto ETFs could face delays due to shutdown. One flashpoint is the timeline for spot crypto ETFs. In September, optimism grew that issuers including VanEck, 21 Shares and Grayscale could secure approval for spot Solana ETFs in early October. That confidence followed SEC rule changes on September 17 that streamlined the process and cut review times. Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas Seifert put approval odds at 100% for this year. But Nate Geraci, president of the ETF store and host of ETF Prime, cautioned that the shutdown could throw off the schedule. Looking back to look ahead. The average shutdown runs about 8 days. In past episodes, markets recovered quickly once federal functions restarted. But if this one drags on for weeks, it could stall momentum by pushing back decisions at the Federal Reserve or slowing approvals for new investment products. SEC left running on skeleton crew. Existing spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, approved in 2024 and 2025, continue trading without disruption. However, the SEC's Division of Trading and Markets would now be operating with less than 10% of its usual staff. As a result, crypto ETFs are not treated as essential. This means S1 filings and final approvals will remain on hold until funding returns. What investors should expect next. The shutdown does not mean crypto ETF applications are canceled, only delayed. If lawmakers strike a deal soon, approvals could arrive this quarter. However, if the stalemate drags on, the momentum built in September may fade. As a result, market sentiment could weaken heading into year-end. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. XRP Price Prediction. Liquidity rotation from Bitcoin to XRP expected after SEC approvals. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Picoin by the end of 2025. SEC urges immediate withdrawal of LTC, XRP, SOL, ADA, Doge ETF filings. Why? Bitcoin price prediction. Crypto billionaire says BTC could hit record highs soon, thanks to a major shift in U.S. policy. World-leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, and Ethereum by the end of 2025. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 30th, 2025. Bitcoin tops $114,000. Ethereum above $4,200, while AI and DeFi sectors face losses. 1 day ago, by Jai Pratap. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Record quarterly close could trigger a $15 rally, just like the 37,800% run in 2017. 11 hours ago, by Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Dogecoin price prediction. XRP, Solana, and Doge ETF filings withdrawn. But here's why that's not bearish. 19 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 17 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 19 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 21 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025, by Ben Beto.